Wow, what a view.
2,920 feet elevation.
Cool.
2,920 feet elevation up on top of Pinnacle Knob. Really cool. We walked straight up from the property and steep. We made it though. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Chaz?
Looks like there's a trail over here.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm pretty sure there's like a little road that was cut in at one time.
Yeah. Yep. Looks like there's a driveway up to here.
Look at this view.
Cuts right in this way. Lots of raspberries.
Incredible. Raspberries.
Cool. A lot of deer trails.
Not a soul around.
Looks like it's cut down in that way too.
Yep.
You think that
I
connects
saw
to this
this
road?
on Google Maps. There's a series of roads that
Yeah, they're like all over through this.
comes up through there, but it's
It's
not
like they're gonna develop it, but didn't, like that side too.
exactly. I don't think it's maintained though.
No, it's just wild. And look, there's a road that gets cut in this way too.
And there's views off both sides. We're way up on top of the knob right here. 2,920 feet, you said?
Yeah, 2,920.
Good job, you made it.
Wow.
Look at this view over here.
This is incredible.
Absolutely beautiful.
Wow.
So Lewis's property is straight down below us, down this, I think it's about 2 football fields is where his property line is. And then it goes like, I think it's like 1,300 yards down to the road, or maybe more. Yeah, walk over there, it's cool.
See that house I'm picturing?
Yep.
Straight up on that
Wow.
mountain.
Somebody's got a house way across. I can zoom in on
On the other side of the valley.
it. Right there.
See, it can be done.
Really neat.
We could find a road to get a place right here. We could find a back way.
This isn't, his property starts down. But there's some cool stuff on the way here. It was really neat. Okay, we're gonna keep exploring. Super cool. Fresh green mountain air.
How much service do you have here?
Oh, no, all of it.
You should look up like